Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable spreads using Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you do have it on your phone, you'd like just to go and uh, of course ignore me maybe. And if you don't have it, you can go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and actually sign in to create your account. That's if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, ignore all of that again and log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, as you can see, I have like a pin that I have to insert. So the second time I open this sorry, not website, application, they ask me to set a pin code. So for me, it's just for zeros here. Of course, if it's your first time using the application, they will not even ask to do that. So that will actually be your home or main screen on the application. You would like to verify your accounts and add funds to your account to start using Robinhood correctly. For me, I don't have to I don't have, or I didn't add funds to my account, so I don't have the all options available in my Robinhood application. So of course, as we said, how to enable spreads. So it's simply by clicking at your account or icon. It's not icon, it's like, yeah, it's account icon here. Just go and click on that, and here you would like to click at the settings option here. So here all you need to do, just go and click at the settings option here. And of course, if you actually verified your account and add some funds, you will have here an option called option trading section. Just go and click on that, then click at enable button and answer the question about your investments experience, knowledge, and other relevant details, and you will be actually good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. Sorry, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.